Hi friends, this is Egan Techies and you are watching Egan Techies YouTube channel. For getting more updates, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Hindustan Shipyard Limited is officially out the recruitment notification for 51 candidates to fill their designer, junior supervisor, office assistant and driver jobs in all over Visakhapatnam. The aspirants who are looking for the central government jobs can utilize this wonderful opportunity. Also, the online application for Hindustan Shipyard Recruitment 2020 will start on 8th March 2020. Interested aspirants should apply for the post before 7th May 2020. So we can check the details. The total vacancy is 51 and the job location will be in all over the Visakhapatnam. The salary is 24,000 online application and the application starts on 8th March 2020 and it closes on 7th May 2020. So we can check the details in deeply. For designer grade 4 mechanical, the number of posts are 10 and the maximum age limit is 28 years. The qualification needed for the job is full-time diploma in mechanical or industrial engineering or mechanical and production engineering or marine engineering with 60% marks and a certificate course in AutoCAD or Truban or CATIA or Aveva Marine. The next one is designer grade 4 electrical. There are total 3 posts are there and the maximum age limit is 28 years old and the age relaxation will be given. The qualification needed for the post is full-time diploma in electrical or electronics or electrical and instrumentation with the 60% marks and a certificate is needed in course of AutoCAD or Truban or CATIA or Aveva Marine. For the post of junior supervisor, there are 7 posts and maximum age limit is 28 years old and the qualification is full-time diploma in mechanical or industrial engineering or mechanical and production engineering or marine engineering with 60% marks. The next one is junior post, junior supervisor. There are 9 posts and the maximum age limit is 28 years old. The qualification needed for the job is full-time diploma in electrical and electronics or electrical and instrumentation with 60% marks. Then the supervisor grade 3, there are 7 posts and maximum age is 28 years old. The qualification needed for the post is full-time diploma in civil or civil and structural and or structural engineering discipline with 60% marks. For office assistant, 9 posts are there. The maximum age limit is 25 years old and the qualification needed is full-time graduate with 60% marks and a typewriting higher grade in English typewriting, diploma or certificate course in MS Office. The next one is junior fire inspector. 4 posts are there. The maximum age limit is 30 years old and the qualification needed is graduate with sub-officer's course certificate from a recognized fire service institution. Then the driver grade 5. Number of posts are 2. The maximum age limit is 28 years old and the qualification needed for the post is SSC 10th class pass with valid driving license for light or heavy motor vehicle. Then there will be application fees 200 rupees. For SC, ST, PH and internal candidates have not fee. So the eligible candidates who are meet the eligibility criteria can apply for this job. If your friends are seeking jobs, you can share with them also. Thank you for watching my video.